Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dr. Jon Belkowitz. I'm the Director of R&D here at Intelligent Concrete, where we specialize in solving the world's concrete problems, saving the world with all the concrete in it. Today, we're going to be running a Q&A Wednesday. We've got an awesome question from our subscribers on YouTube, and I really like this question because it leads into one of the new, not channels that we're doing, within, is it called a series? Anyway, we're doing a new series called PMXDB, Practice Mix Design Book. And this question, I mean, it just is perfectly aligned with what we're about to start. So this question is from Baha Salman. Ding! Thank you, Baha. Structural engineering student, great one. And he's referring to one of the mix design YouTube videos that we did, but great one. I hope Dr. Belkowitz to do a quick review on mix design of special concrete mixes, like high strength, self-compacting, or lightweight. It will be very helpful. So, Baha Salman, we're doing exactly that. We already have 3 mixes that are up through the PMXDB, and we'll be linking that below. We've got PMXDB number 4. Most of them I've done as a live event, and then we convert it to something that is a little bit more or a little bit higher production value. But we've got 23 mix designs that we have to go through before we have to come up with new ones. We got SCC, we got lightweight, we got cement slurries, we got pervious concrete mix designs. We've got a whole bunch of them, and then that doesn't even take into account the ones that we've already done. So yes, we will be doing that, and this is the introduction of our PMXDB channel! What is it called?
Yeah.
Channel?
PMXDB series.
Series! Right, so hopefully that answers your question, Baha. I know I'm asking you to wait, but check out those links below, and they should get you started. And you know, what we're starting out with is ACI 211. We're going through all the math, but bear in mind, everything that you design on paper, that's bookcrete. You eventually have to go to labcrete and then to the realcrete by making it in the plant in the truck, or if you're a precaster, staying in the plant level. So there we go. Excited for this. Thanks for joining. Go concrete!
Beat asphalt.